So hey guys, today I'm going to show one of the problem how to solve Acer laptop display issue. So welcome back again. Welcome to our channel Brain Vida. So I have Acer Aspire 4745 model. This laptop has some issue with the display. When we try to switch on the power, it's not showing any display. So first let me switch on the power. So as you can see, power is already there, but display is not there. So what can be the probable cause for this one? You can see here all the signals are there for power and the hard disks, both are on. It's indicating, that means it indicating all the things are in place. So there is something issue. Maybe it can be due to RAM or maybe due to hard drive. So what we can do, we can open the back panel and let us check with the RAM and the hard drive whether it is working or not. So let me first switch off the power and unscrew the back screw. So I am just putting it down the lead one, and I will unscrew the things. So this is a process oriented thing. So we first have to unplug the power and we have to detach the battery. So as you can see, this is how you have to release the battery here. Okay, now you have to unscrew these panel screws. Okay, otherwise we cannot open the back panel for hard drive and the RAM. So let us open the back panel, unscrew it. For that I need toolkit. So you must have the toolkit for this type of screws, because laptop screws are mostly a very smaller screws, so head must be different type. So what I have choose here, I have choose this one. So this would help me to unscrew this screw. This is the screwdriver I have already fixed. So let us open the screws. No. So now you can see here there is a spot. This spot you can open the panel from this spot only. You don't have to push anywhere else. You just need to press here. It will just pop up. And now from here you can just pull it off. It's very simple. It will pop up. So now it's already exposed. So these are the RAMs and this is the hard drive. Those who are not aware of it, so you can just have a highlight on this one. Please highlight on this one. So you can see here there are two RAM slots, first one and the second one. Okay, and this is the hard drive for the laptop. So so what we can do, first we will try to open the RAM. You can see here two notches are there which is holding the RAM. So we can simply press at both sides. So RAM will pop up and you just need to insert, just exclude it from here, so you will get the RAM. So as I can see, first you have to focus on the portions, circuit portions. You can see there are patch. Okay, there are patches. So this is spot, and these spots might creating some problem to show the display. So what we have to do, just exclude these from the RAM slots, and I'm keeping aside, putting aside, and I will try to check whether display is coming or not. So I will try to check that whether display is coming or not. I'm just temporarily putting this cover, otherwise dust might come or it may create some issue. So this is how I will do. So okay, I forgot to include the battery. Battery is important, guys. You must remember, before opening the panel you must exclude the battery, because sometimes it creates some issues, because battery used to share the power in the motherboard. So we should concern about that one. Okay. So as you can see, I have already fixed that one. Now let's try whether display is coming or not. I have already excluded the battery. Okay, you can see here. So let's try switching on the power. So I just pressed. Let's see display is coming or not. Okay. Something is happening. Okay, bravo. So display has come. Let me check it is loading or not. I forgot that I have some time before I have kept a password for this one, hardware security. Okay, so Windows is loading. Let me check. I believe hard drive doesn't have any issue. The only issue was with the RAM. Okay, it is loading. So I might require to replace this RAM with a new one. So this is basically nothing but DDR3 RAM for laptop. So I have to bring a new RAM for that one. So I hope you guys liked it, and you will find this video as very useful video. Next time if you face any issue related something like that, so you can troubleshoot yourself. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to mention if you have any suggestion or if you have any query. Please comment on comment box and let us know. We will try to create a new video, upload a new video, and we'll definitely assist you further. Thanks guys, have a nice day.